Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, July 27th, and we are looking at Window Traders market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs, and 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. Let's see if we're going to finally get some consolidation inside of yesterday's range, and not consolidation above previous day's ranges. We had a price probe again yesterday. Friday's failed, right? We opened below it. Again, right now, it looks like it might be failing as we're looking to open in value, in balance. Triple Qs did not have a price probe. They're also in balance, in value. And the Russell, once again, the laggard, as they are struggling. They are trading right now, pre-market, towards the lower end of yesterday's range. Destinations in SPY for the upside. Right now, there's only two. That's 441.03, which is yesterday's high, an all-time high, and then my overnight all-time high of 441.16. For the downside, right now the price pro is being rejected, but since there's 75 minutes to go, we'll give it to you, 440.85. Then we have 493.94, afternoon pullback low. That was G period. Then we have, let me just see what the overnight low is. Just want to make sure. 438.71. Okay. Just want to make sure what the overnight low was. Then we have 439.26, which was yesterday's low and poor low. 439.16, the pullback from the 23rd. And then 438.71 is our overnight low. And that happens to be a penny above the first set of single prints, which you should have from the July 23rd. Game plan for this morning. Again, we have the Fed tomorrow. That's going to be front and center for me. Tesla's earnings are out last night. Microsoft's tonight. Apple's tomorrow night. In balance, in value, worst of your risk rewards. You should get some major chop in here because there's not a lot to lean on. The park was 8 wide. Yes, I'm not going to ignore it, but 9 wide is my firm destination. We'll see if G period low holds as the afternoon pullback. If it does not, then there's a chance to go get that poor low. And more importantly, if we take out yesterday's low, we would stop the one-time framing up on the daily, if that is to happen, and put us back in balance. Remember, we have an outside week up right now, which when you look at it, right, we closed high yesterday, but right now we're trading right at last week's high. So remember, outside week up have not fared so well the last 2 times. There really is not much of a game plan this early. Can you take a long against G's low? You can. Maybe you could use below value low as your out, because then you don't want to be long with overlap into lower value. So that's one small trade. Again, if we are to push up, just like I did the trade yesterday, which turned out to be a very nice trade in A, where there were buyers yesterday, we'll see if there's sellers. Look the way it shot up in A, never took out the high, and we got a nice chance to short and come back down in A period. So that would be an early play either now or at 9:30 if we push up against L's high. And then on the chart, again, outside week up, we know that. The important run right now is the daily. One time framing up for 5 days. Obviously, if you're a bear, you need to take out yesterday's low to put that back into balance. Yesterday's volume, the lowest of the month, under 44 million, as we reached another all-time high. Thanks for the likes. Subscribe to the channel. Come check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.